Hello everyone, welcome back to the renovation of my 17th century cottage. Now, we've been doing some tiling. If you're new to the channel, got these fantastic terracotta tiles. I've laid out the main stretch going through. Now these are at a premium, I haven't got lots of them, so what I'm trying to work out is where best to lay them next. I've got three main areas, either side of the fireplace and by the step on the way in. So I've got 80 roughly left. I just had a quick calculation, 40 plus here. So it is possible that I could do either side of the fireplace. So I'm going to lay them out and see where best to use them. Now I've got some of these very thin briquettes to use as well. I've got some larger terracotta tiles. And we've got a band of these going all the way across the front. So these sections here, I think I'll use these cut down because we've got the patterned one running this way anyway. And the other thing I could do here, because there's a bit of a gap between the two, let's lose these for now. How would that work? I've got a soldier course of these running through, like that. Well, that's an idea. So here's what I'm thinking so far. We've got a rough layout there. We've got the briquettes and the patterned encaustic tiles there. They run right the way along the encaustic tiles to the other end. Then once we get here, I've got 10 briquettes set aside to run down the side there. I think I've got enough encaustics. So then it's that area. I want to mirror that side. I've managed to get them all together. Just under 50 there, so definitely enough for the other side of the fireplace. I think I had 120 thereabouts of the briquettes. So we've got 10 each side of the fireplace, that's 20, so it leaves 100. Okay, I'm just going to lay them out roughly to see how many of these we've got for this area. Join me in a moment. Well, I've certainly got enough briquettes for this kind of design, so that's pretty good. Well, I think I've got a workable plan now as far as materials go. So we get that down, get a mix going, set those out. I'm so pleased I've got enough to get either side of this fireplace. That was my main concern. I knew I could do something different over by the door. It was just here really, these two areas. And then any offcuts we've got lying about, just simply infill. There'll be something going over this. This won't be seen, but it does need to be level nevertheless. That way it can only be as level as the tiles next to it if you put a bigger board on there and tap it down. Okay. Any lime I've left over, always make sure I've got somewhere to use it, just to neaten this edge up. Now this will be all hidden with the footbar. We're going to have a piece of timber coming out of an upstand, just so you can comfortably sit on here and rest your feet. Just using up the last of the mix. Well, that is it for this video. Hope you enjoyed it. Let us know in the comments, and yeah, see you in the next one. Bye for now.